So now our topic is decorators. Decorators in Python. So decorators are used to modify the behavior of a function or a class. So if you want to modify the behavior of a function, like you are adding two numbers, yeah, you are subtracting two numbers. So you want to subtract two numbers, and if you are subtracting 2 minus 4, you will get an output of minus 2 because 2 is less than 4. So you want to modify the behavior of the subtract function, and you want to do subtract from the big number always. So you want to subtract from 4 minus 2. So if you are given two parameters like 2 and 4, so you always want to subtract 4 minus 2. So this is how, this is we are gonna done in this tutorial decorator. So the syntax for decorator is here. You can see at gfg decorator. So this is how we can use decorator functions syntax. And the second thing is you can use hello decorator is equals to uh, zfg decorator, and you can just pass the function name in the circular brackets. So let's see an example. So let's say we are having a function. So let's understand this example with the function div. So let's say we are having a function div. So div function uh, do division of two numbers. So like we are having a and b. So we are having two numbers a and b, and let's divide this number. Divide this a by b. So if we run this, if we call this function for 2 and 4, so we are passing two arguments 2 and 4. So it will divide 2 by 4. So denominator is 4 and numerator is 2. So the output will be 0.5. So here we are dividing 2 by 4. But let's say if we have 4 and 2. So here we are having a is equals to 4 and b is equals to 2. So let's run this. So we are having output 2.0. 2.0. So we want to have an output of 2.0 whenever we give arguments like 2 4 or 4 2, whatever sequence it is, but we want to have an output 2.0. So what can we do? We can just do here, we will check the condition if a is greater than b. If it is true, so let's say a is less than b. So if we are having a is less than b, let's say we will swap these values. uh, we will swap these values and we will print the output. So now we will have output 2.0. If we check for 2 4, so now we are having 2.0 output for both cases. But what if I say that I don't want to change the code of this function div? I want to keep it as it is. So I want to keep it as it is now. So